Welcome to Harmony. In this video, we'll explore how you can share Harmony stories and create content in collaboration with others. Once you've created a story, you can share it with your colleagues via a dedicated URL. You can generate a direct link to a specific view within your story, or create a direct link to your story. Let's copy the link to your story. You can then share this link with others. Let's look at what your colleagues will see after clicking on the link or pasting it into their browser. Only users who have access to the site and data will be able to access the story shared with them. The recipient can add the story to their favourites for easy access in the future. If you're a creator or an explorer, you can also share your story by giving general access to specific users. To give users general access, drag them into the General Access area in the Share pane and click Share. Users with general access will see the story in the Shared with Me section. The icon shows that they have read-only shared access to the story. You can go one step further and collaborate with selected colleagues by giving them owner access to the story so they can also edit it. To give users owner access, drag them into the Owner Access area in the Share pane and click Share. Users with owner access will see the story in the Owned by Me section. The icon shows that they have read-write owner access to the story. Another way to share your story is to export to Excel or PowerPoint. In the Stories space, the three-dot menu allows you to export the selected story. In the Story Tile View space, to export the entire story, use the three-dot menu, or you can use the options on the menu bar at the top. To export a specific view, use the three-dot menu on the View tile. In the Story Preview space, selecting the three-dot menu allows you to export a specific view. In the menu bar at the top, you have the option to export the previewed view or the entire story. Our next video, Dashboards, explores how you can design dashboard pages using your story views. Thanks for watching.